Turn it up. Turn it up. OpenArt AI. Let's create tonight.
Everything you just saw was created with OpenArt Director simply by talking to AI. Wasn't that hot? Yes! Today I'll show you how I turned the Ninja CREAMi into a complete affiliate video ad designed to send viewers to a product link and potentially earn commissions from qualifying purchases. But first, my name is Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get paid. I'm starting with some product images of the Ninja CREAMi 7-in-1 ice cream maker and a rough affiliate commercial idea rather than a finished script. The goal is to create a short ad that shows the machine transforming a frozen base into a creamy dessert and ends with a clear call to action directing viewers to my affiliate link. This will allow me to demonstrate how the director mode helps develop and produce the project conversationally. All right, so now I'm on Amazon, okay? And if you want to do affiliate marketing, this is how you do it. I'm going to find an awesome appliance. I go to the top appliances. Number 14 is the one, okay? The Ninja NC301 CREAMi ice cream maker 7-in-1 ice cream. They can make sorbet. They make everything, milkshakes. This is it. You want to be affiliated with something that is selling. The Ninja is selling, okay? So now we go to OpenArt, okay? Check out all the different templates, okay? They know how to make an ad, all right? So now we're going to try to get our affiliate on with Amazon. Look at all the different ideas they give you, marketing and advertising ideas. They know what they're doing. All right, so we're going to make our own today. All right, let's check it out. First thing we go to is Director, okay? Make sure you click on Director, chat to direct. Okay, we're gonna get this on. We're gonna give this information. First thing we're gonna do is go to Director, then chat to direct. The next thing you're gonna do is put in a prompt. Okay, I want to create a 35 to 40 second video, okay? This is affiliate video. If you like what it says, you upload from your from your laptops, upload the images. I'm uploading the CREAMi right now, the Ninja CREAMi. Remember the 7-in-1, right? I need a 35 to 40 second ad to advertise this so I can put it on all my different platforms, social media platforms, so people can click on and use my link. All right, so I can get my little cut. All right, so there we go. Now it's creating. It has all the images and it's building a story now. Okay, which story direction should we build this commercial around? All right, so they give you different choices. I'll do the 9 p.m. rescue, the recommended one. Let's go with recommended. Okay, so now we're building a story for this 35 to 40 second ad. All right, you can put pictures of your product, but if you put an ad in, that's what people like. 9:16 is the ratio, okay? It's the aspect ratio. That's what they recommend. Now, what render quality should we deliver it? Okay, I'm gonna go with 1080p, higher quality. All right, I want this to be very good quality. A little bit more credits, but it's worth it. All right, this is going on all my social media platforms. All right, now we got the 9 p.m. rescue. They got the story concept. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's going to be a parent with 2 children and a voiceover. I love the whole story. It got the storyboard. It tells me about the parent. It tells me about the ice cream, how they're going to do it. I love this. I love that it breaks everything down. If I like how everything says, I'm going to put looks good, save and confirm. So now we're going to do save and confirm this. That means it's looking good. I'm getting excited. All right. Now the script has been approved. Now let's build this. Okay. Approve and start rendering. Look at my characters. Look at my 3 main characters. There's the parent. There's one of the children, and there's the little baby girl. Okay, now here's the scene. This is nighttime. There's my ninja. It looked like they're going to want some dessert, right? All right, I am excited. All right, that everything is looking good. I like how everything is looking. We should click on looks good. I like all my characters, the parent, the two children. I like how they have the CREAMi. Let's do this. Let's build this story. Let's get this.
Wait, is there more?
The ice cream's gone, but dessert doesn't have to be. One button. No mixing bowls, no waiting the counter, just frozen turned creamy right in the machine. Ham and delight, Tristies. Same craving, same night, just a different ending.
Very nice. You see it says link in bio, shop it below. They put that in, shop it below. Link in bio. So if you like this, you will click on my link and I'll get my cut, my affiliate. You know what I mean? They help you with your affiliate marketing. That call to action is in it. I love it. What should we change about the narrator voiceover? I want a little bit of a change, okay? I'm going to show you can change stuff too. Change the wording of the lines too, okay? So we're going to change the sound, the voice. We're going to change some of the lines. I love that you could change things up with this. That was really, really good. But let's see if we change it. What happens, okay? I love it. And I love that it says link in bio. Click on it so I can get paid. All right, we're going to go with option B, warmer, more story-driven. All right, let's see how they can make a warmer story, and it's going to be more about the story now. I love this. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Let's get it. Okay.
Wait, is there more?
The ice cream's out, but the night isn't over yet. Press one button, no fuss, no mixing bowls, just drop it in, press one button, and let it work. Same 9 p.m. kills, up before Slocher. Nirzigan Sem craving, a completely different ending.
Oh, that was so nice. You see? It was more of a story this time. I love it. I love it. Now I want to change things up. That was nice. But let's change up the whole scene now. Instead of the video taking place during the night, can the video take place during a Saturday afternoon on a bright sunny day? All right? Let's give it a bright sunny day now. Let's see what the changes will be made. Come on now. Let's see what they can do with it. I still want my call to action. I still want a family, but I want a daytime video. Look, it's already changing. It's already changing the outfits on the kids. Look at this. Daytime on a Saturday. Yes. He got his little shorts and t-shirt on. Love it. Next, look at the mom. Very comfortable on a Saturday. Hair pent up. She's ready. And look how adorable. She's not in pajamas no more. Look at the sun is out. All right, here we go. We're working with daytime now. It really listens to what you want. It really does create the scenes and the storyboards that you are looking for. All right, I'm excited. I want to see this daytime.
Wait, is there more?
No fuss, no mixing bowls. Just drop it in, press one button. Same Saturday craving. A completely different ending.
Bravo! Bravo! I loved it. Did you hear the sounds of, you hear the M&Ms, the little candy spinning? You heard the machine going? That was amazing. The kids had on shorts. It was like a Saturday afternoon. They had changed their outfit. The sun was shining and beaming through the window. Oh, it made me want some ice cream now. Doesn't it make you want ice cream? It would make you want to buy that Ninja CREAMi, wouldn't it? That's how you make an ad. Affiliate marketing ad. I'm telling you, That's how you do it. Seeing this Ninja CREAMi affiliate commercial come together from one conversation is what makes OpenArt Director stand out to me. I developed the story, set the visuals and audio direction, generated the ad, and requested specific revisions without building every scene in separate tools. Now I have a promotional video that can send viewers to my affiliate link and potentially earn commissions from qualifying purchases. Yes, indeed. If you want to try vibe directing and create your own product commercial, short film, music video, or explainer, click my OpenArt Director referral link in the very first line of the video description. I'll also place it in the pinned comment and let me know what you will create first. Come on now, get to it. Yes. Now I want some ice cream. Oh, okay, but anyway, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below, which product would you turn into an affiliate ad with OpenArt Director? Yes, and remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.
Nation play, create, animate it, take it all the way. Chocolate, strawberry, colorful and sweet. Open